Rihanna is responding after hearing that her music was blaring at a Trump rally in Tennessee. When she sang, "Please don't stop the music," what she meant was definitely stop the music. Philip Rucker, aka the White House bureau chief for the Washington Post, tweeted during a Trump rally on Sunday, quote, "It's been said a million times, but here's 1,000,001. Trump's rallies are unlike anything in politics. Currently, Rihanna's Don't Stop the Music is blaring in Chattanooga as aides toss free Trump t-shirts into the crowd like a ball game. Everyone's loving it." The tweet made it to Rihanna in an hour and a half, and she responded in the most Rihanna of ways, saying, quote, "Not for much longer. Me nor my people would ever be at or around one of those tragic rallies. So thanks for the heads up, Philip." This Twitter exchange came just hours after Rihanna endorsed Andrew Gillum for Florida governor, posting on Instagram, quote, "Florida, you have the opportunity to make history this election. The U.S. has only had 4 black governors in its entire history, and we can help make Andrew Gillum the next one and Florida's first. If you're tired of feeling like you don't matter in the political process, know the most important thing you can do in supporting a candidate is finding someone who will take on critical issues." Rihanna is just one more name added to the list of artists who have requested their music not be played at any of Trump's events. Last week, Pharrell Williams had his attorney send a cease and desist letter to stop playing his song Happy after it was played at a rally hours after the horrific shooting at a Pittsburgh synagogue. The Rolling Stones, Adele, Guns N' Roses, and Queen have also made similar requests for their music. At this rate, his rallies will be playing Happy Birthday and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. What did you think of Rihanna's response? Let us know in the comments below, and then click right over here to see another new video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. I'm your host, David Gordy. Thanks for watching Clevver, and I'll see you guys next time.